Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are sublimating and I'm going to be using this Sublimate. I got this off of Etsy. I'll have it linked down below. But this is my first time using it, so we're going to test this little solution out. This is literally a small, tiny bottle, but it's supposed to fill up to make 16 ounces. So I already have 14 ounces of water. So this little small bottle of solution is for you to sublimate onto your garments if it's not full 100% polyester. So it comes with all the instructions that you need to do. So it told me that I needed a 14-ounce bottle. They also have where you can buy it with a sprayer, and I should have did that because I was literally running out all around trying to find a spray bottle that would fit it. I didn't want a hairspray bottle, but this is all I could find. It only went up to like 400 ml, but there's extra space. So I used that because you have to use, you need 14 ounces of water, or you pour this in and fill it till it's 16 ounces. So I'm gonna just add this to the bottle. This is already filled with 14 ounces of water. And I forgot how many shirts it's supposed to make. I think this is supposed to make about 30 shirts or so. Oh, I have to take, yep, there's a seal on here, which is cool. Nothing spilling out. So I've seen a few people do this. Today I'm going to be pressing a hoodie. I see people, using it on shirts. I'm just going to pour this in here just like that. I hope this doesn't overflow. Okay, just enough space. I want to make sure I get it all in there. I need all my sublimation solution. So again, this is the concentrate. They ship it like this so that way you just add the water to it. And it comes in multiple different sizes. So I'm just gonna shake it up, make sure it's mixed in there. Don't squirt out just yet. We need that solution for the shirt. I don't want to shake it up because it is already coming out. Okay, so this is 16 ounces, and I used my scale to make sure I weighed it correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started to the video. So the heat press is heating up, but this is the hoodie. This is the design that we're gonna do. I'm gonna use the athletic gray. This is a Gildan 50-50, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. So no, this is not sublimation. This design I did with HTV layering. So I want to see, because I'm tired of layering all these hoodies and designs that I do. So I'm gonna see if I can sublimate it. I already have the design printed out. I measured out the size. This is A-sub-1 paper. A-sub-1. This is A-sub paper. And I'll have all the products that I use linked down below. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. I only need one. I did two because of course we don't waste no paper around here. And if it works, I can use it for the next time. So I'm just putting a butcher paper underneath. I know some people use sublimation mats. I don't have that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this down. I'm gonna put parchment paper underneath. So here are all the directions that come with it. It's telling me to preheat the press at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. I already did that. It's has a little bit more to go. I'm gonna spray the fabric until it's saturated but not soaked. Press for 20 seconds between the butcher paper. Spray with a very light second coat. Press again for 20 seconds. If still moist, let air dry for several minutes. Fabric must be completely dry for printing. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then it tells me afterwards to heat the press up again, and you're going to press between 375 and 385 for 60 seconds. Okay, so I have butcher paper in between. I have butcher paper on the bottom. I don't need this bigger piece. Yeah, I definitely don't need that bigger piece. So I'm going to put butcher paper in between as well. You don't want the sublimation to go through on the other side. And you definitely don't want sublimation to get on your press. Going to make sure that's nice and flat. Some people use parchment paper, and I actually had parchment paper out. but it specifically said butcher paper, so I'm gonna use butcher paper. But either should be fine. I'm just hoping it doesn't come out like tough. I know the more polyester you have in the fabric, the brighter it should be. So this is 50-50 blend. So it should do okay. So you don't want to spray the entire garment. You only need to spray actually where you're going to be sublimating. My image is going to be literally about right there. So that's where I'm going to spray at. So I'm just going to spray like the corners. And we definitely got to get, I didn't want, it says not soaked, but it's not, my thing is not spreading. My thing is not spreading. Oh, we got to get a different bottle because it's putting too much in one area. It said not soaked and I'm soaking it. Okay, so I'm gonna press that. I'm gonna press that for 20 seconds. Okay, that's the first coat. I really don't like my spray bottle. Don't know why it's not spraying. I'm trying to go very lightly because my bottle is not spraying. You know how it gives like a nice little mist spray? It's not doing that. But I'm trying to make sure I fill in the entire area. Okay, so it said lightly, so that should be good. So another 20 seconds. Okay, it needs to be completely dry. So I'm just gonna let that completely dry for a few minutes before I put the sublimation image down on it. Okay, so this is dry. I'm gonna put the image down on here. It's pretty much straight. I just wanna make sure it is. I just wanna make sure it's completely centered. So I'm gonna fold it. Okay, that's letting me know it's centered. 3 fingers from the top. Now it does feel a little hard, feel a little rough. So I'm hoping, because that I don't like. That's what I was worried about, the roughness. So where that spray is, it literally already feels rough. Okay. Oh, and we have to take this up now to 375 to 385. So I just already have it set for 385. And now for 60 seconds. A full 60 seconds you're gonna press at. Now I'm gonna put that on there like that to protect it. Butcher paper on the top. I'm gonna go one extra step just to put that on top of that. Gonna press it for a full 60 seconds. Let's see what happens. Also keep in mind that if you don't have an order open, you want to open it slowly, especially if your image isn't taped down. But because I have an order open, even though it's taped down, I'm gonna keep my hand on it so it doesn't pop open and shift the design. If it shifts, it might ghost. If it shifts, the sublimation might ghost, and we do not want that. So you just want to make sure when you open it, it opens slowly, because you definitely don't want it popping up and shifting. my first time, so I want to see how it goes. It shouldn't move at all because I do have it taped down with the sublimation tape. 10 more seconds. All right, there we go. And you want to remove it right away. Okay. See that got on that just a little bit? Ooh. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, so I know what happened. Woo, it's hot. So it did sublimate it. It looks almost like vintage, which is not bad, but white won't transfer. The white came out. The nose is supposed to be white, and it feels rough. This feels rough. Let me take this out. Nothing got through on the other side at all. Nothing came through on that. But this is definitely more stiffer. It is definitely stiffer where the image is. Smooth, it will work, but the white nose is not messed up. So that means I might have to, with this one, put on a white nose on here to make this image look good. But that looks really nice. I can just see where I left the spray. So I'm hoping that comes out. Maybe it'll come out with, with washing. So I probably will wash this before I sell it, only because I want that to come out. But next time I'll get a lot closer to my image because I sprayed, you know, around it a little bit more. But let's lay it down. What's cool is you can see the heather through it. You can definitely see the heather through the image. So here are both images up close. This is the vinyl. Of course, this pink and everything just looks way more vibrant because, of course, it's the vinyl. This one, as you can see, and you can kind of see the outline of the spray. I do not like that. So again, I'm hoping that comes out when you wash it. This, you feel the material, but it's still not stiff. You know, vinyl doesn't leave your clothes stiff. You know, you just get that raised feeling and that, you know, plastic feeling, or the matte. I use Easy Weed, the matte for black always, so that it's more into the garment. But this pink and the yellow is not Easy Weed. This is an Amazon pink that I just have never run out yet. But once I, the blue and the gray and the white is all Easy Weed as well. So, you know, it's more in, but the pink is a little bit more raised. But this here, now I love the heather look. It's a little worn. But what I would have to do is change my pictures on my Etsy shop to make it look like this. Because I have it pictured like this. That looks way more vibrant than this. Doesn't look bad. It's just a more vintage look. But I do not like that. I should have used a lint roller. Always use a lint roller. I forgot about that. I forgot about using the lint roller at first. I don't know if it would have helped, but maybe I sprayed too much. So I will be doing this again. I'll be testing out some shirts as well using the same solution. Again, I'll have the solution linked down below, but let me know which one you like better. Some might like the vintage look better. Some might like the vinyl look better. So let me know, because I need to know which one to do. I just do not like the nose. Do you guys see the nose? It came out literally gray. So I would have to take the white out. The white does not come through on here. The white literally just came through the gray. I don't even know how that, maybe it was because of this color. That's really weird. It's really weird. Yeah, like literally gray. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post weekly, sometimes twice a week, and turn on those notification bells. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.